With Tico, you can quickly save time codes and write notes. Enter your email address and create a password. Press Login or New User if you have not used Tico before. Click EULA and Disclaimer and read the text. Press I agree. Press Activate License. The website takes you to the payment page. Fill in the fields and press Pay and Subscribe. You are now on the main page. Give your project a name. Choose the frame rate 24, 25, or 30 frames per second. Write the roll number. Also fill in the scene, shot, and take. Take number starts increasing automatically. If you know the file name in your recorder or camera, you can type it in the name box. The time code is saved with the In button. Write the main note before or after you press the In button. The clapper is triggered when you hit the In button. Press marker when you want to write a note during a take. These marker notes are linked to the main row in the table. When the take is finished, press Out. Rate the take with 1, 2, or 3 stars. You can see the codes and notes in the table. Change the table order, ascending or descending, using the arrow button. Switch between light and dark backgrounds using the Moon button. Tico saves the project automatically every 5 minutes. You can also save your project at any time with the Save button. Export the entire table with the Export button. Choose whether you want a CSV, JSON, or XML file. The exported file is saved in the default Downloads folder of your device. With the New button, you create a new project. You can see all your projects listed at the bottom. Double-click a row to open it. If you ever need auto-saved projects, press the Auto-Saved button. All files are listed below. Autosave occurs every 5 minutes. It's a good idea to log out or close the page when you are not using the application. 50 last saves are saved in the Autosave folder. Log out by pressing Log Out. Every time you log out, your data is saved automatically. Canceling the subscription. Press the link Billing and unsubscribe. The license is valid for 1 week at a time. This way you never pay for extra time. Press Cancel Subscription. When the cancellation is active, you will see the end date of the current billing period.